welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a microwaveable mac and cheese that I saw on TikTok. And if you see me looking down a lot, because I have the recipe down here that we wrote. And yeah, so this video will be on dairy free. We will be posting a dairy version. I don't know if they're gonna be like the same exact time, like one they could be 10 minutes apart, I don't know. But this is a dairy free, so we have the silk cashew milk, and then we're using dairy free cheese, and that's there. So now let's get started. So first is 1 cup of noodles. And we have our noodles right here, and they can use like at any time. So, and then you need 1 cup of water. So yeah, and you can have this recipe if you want to, but this is what they saw on TikTok. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. That it. And then we're just gonna microwave it for 4 minutes. So let's go to the microwave.